Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video friends, today we are going to play with colorful and fabric to make beautiful, bright and easy crafts. Colorful fabric brings light to any dye project, so let's get creative. Fabric wall hanging. Cut strips of colorful fabric, tie them to wooden sticks and hang it on your wall. Add beads or tassels for extra beauty. This makes your rooms look cozy and happy. Fabric flowers. Cut circle or fabrics and stitch them into pastel. Join them together and add a button in the center. You can use these flowers to decorate bag, cloth or handbags. Fabric bookmark. Cut long strips on fabric, stitch around the edges and add a charm or tassels at the end. This makes wearing more colorful and fun. Fabric keychains. Cut cute shapes like hearts, stars or animals into pieces together. Stuff with cotton and add a key rings. Fabric coaster. Cut circular square from bright fabric, stitches layered together and add lace or bunting for extra charm. Perfect for your tea or coffee mugs. Fabric gift wrap. Use large square fabric piece to warp gifts instead of paper. Tie the end into a knot. This looks beautiful and it's simple. Fabric patchwork pillows. Use small fabric square to make a colorful patchwork pillows cover. It looks unique and is a great way to use leftover fabric. Fabric tie bag. In a simple tie bags with colorful fabric, you can mix and match different prints to make it bright and cheerful. Fabric foam cover. Frames. Cut the two rectangles with 3 sides and decorate with lace or buttons. A perfect diaphragm pouch. Fabric jewelry.